This is Maxwell's needle experiment. Here, with a fixed rigid support, a wire is hanged. This is Maxwell's needles apparatus. Now this apparatus consists of a hollow and solid cylinders over here. This is hollow cylinder which is kept inside this needle like this. So initially we are keeping hollow cylinder near the wire, and solid cylinders outside. Now what we will do is we will oscillate this system in a horizontal plane, that is known as torsional oscillations. And this time required for 10 oscillations is measured. This is how we are going to measure the oscillations. One complete oscillation means one extreme end and then again coming to that position. So if you start our stopwatch at this position, then needle is going over there, that end, again it is coming back. So we will count 1. Now one oscillation is completed. So this is 1, and time required for 10 such oscillations we are going to measure. Then what other measurements you have to take is, you have to measure the length of the wire from this point up to this point with the help of thread. So this will be the length of the wire which will be measured on a scale, horizontal scale. So with the help of scale we can measure it. Then length of this needle also, with the help of thread or with the help of scale you can directly measure it. This is how you have to measure the length of the scale also, length of the needle also. Then with the help of this balance, you have to measure weight of solid cylinders as well as hollow cylinders. And now what we have done initially is we kept hollow cylinders inside near the wire and solid cylinders outside. Now we will do in different way, that we will keep the solid cylinders inside and hollow cylinders outside. Hollow outside. Then from this side also, solid cylinder inside and hollow cylinder outside. And again we will measure time required for 10 oscillations in a similar way as shown previously. And now the time will be noted down. Now what we will going to do is, this is the diagram of eta by Maxwell's needle, and here now the aim is to determine the modulus of rigidity of the material of a wire by Maxwell's needle. That is the aim. Apparatus is Maxwell's needle, wire, stopwatch, meter scale, screw gauge, etc. Now this is the formula. Eta is equal to 2 pi L m2 minus m1 into L square upon RT, actually it is RL, it should be RL, capital L, T2 square minus T1 square. And where L is the length of the wire, M1 is the mass of a hollow cylinder, M2 is the mass of the solid cylinder, small l is the length of a wire actually, and capital L is the length of the Maxwell's needle. Now this is how the observations are. Length of the suspension wire is 43.5 centimeters. Length of the Maxwell's needle is 40 centimeter. Then diameter of that wire is also calculated, and that comes out to be 0.058 centimeters. And the radius of the wire will be half of that, so that will be 0.029 centimeters. Now this is the observation table. Here we have taken two different readings, two different observation tables. First is when the solid cylinders are near the wire, and other is when the solid cylinders are outside of, hollow cylinders are near the wire. And so that particular time is noted as T1 and T2. And so by putting the values and all the calculations, once they are done, we found the value of eta with the help of formula. So this is how this experiment works.